Okay, angifuna uku-assume ne, but I feel like Umusa, he's giving someone who knows that his time is coming. It is the end for him, because the way bekangakwazi nokubheka uAbonge ngakhona, he couldn't even look at his wives when they were confronting him about indaba yalo msebenzi kanye no number 5. And the fact that, like, this guy is crashing out Live Jive on TV, he's crashing out and he just doesn't know what to do. And the only thing that makes sense to him is to finish up in Dabaga number 5. Kodwa mina umbuzo wami uthi yini engakajahele, because there's no way, when you know ukuthi perhaps your time is up, you're gonna want to fix so much knowing very well ukuthi isimo asivumi, because manje iy'nkomo eziyi-50 sizithola azi very well ukuthi financially the household is in a bit of a mess. It's in shambles. Some of the wives are contributing financially. I man, khona nje into of ngomusa, and I don't know. And I get that the show, yes, was shot last year, right? But there was an interview earlier on this week on Newsroom Africa where he was talking about his tembu, but physically he was not looking okay. And yabona nale ndaba yokuthi akazwani nosisi wakhe, because he's saying that usisi wakhe watshelwa umuntu ukuthi perhaps, you know, khona nje oku off laphayana. Yes, they didn't go into details with it when he was speaking to Usne, but nyasola ukuthi the rumors that have been circulating as well around chemical engineering are definitely part of the reason why perhaps why him and his sister are not getting along at the moment. I don't know, man. Like, something is very off with Umusa at the moment. Something is very off ngalo number 5 wenu, and I just feel like something is brewing. We might not be privy to that information.
Hello you guys, and welcome back to the channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and of course do make sure that you do share this video, guys. There's a TikTok I made this a video there on the platform, you guys saying that something about Umisam Seleko is definitely off following yesterday, or the previous episode rather, of Utando Ness Tembu, you guys, because she says that Umusam Selegu looks very, very much sick, and his actions are that of someone who knows that that time is about to end. Uchi Umusam Selegu looks like someone who knows that he is about to die, basically, you guys, judging by his actions, you guys. And people in the comment section hopped in, and they were fueling her in and saying that yes, he definitely probably knows that his time is up, because he has toilet, and one of the conditions of ukutwala is that they give you a certain period on this earth, and your time of death when you will pass away onto this earth, people were saying. And the way that the TikTok was saying, you guys, you could see it and hear it in her voice, that she is actually insinuating that Umisam Seleko might have toilet. She is fueling those allegations that he has a toilet, you guys. Now, also in the previous episode, Umisam Seleko talked about his strained relationship with his sister Unompumelelo, because they are no longer close like they used to be before. And Umusam Seleko said that her sister, went to consult someone more like a healer or inyaga, and that person probably told Unompumelelo ukuthi Umusam Seleko is the one amhambela as inyageni utwele. She is the sacrifice. Umusam Seleko has made her a sacrifice, rather, so that he can be able to enrich himself using Mpupelelo Usiswakwe, his only blood sister, you guys, and basically that's why their relationship are strained, you guys. Anyways, what are your thoughts regarding this whole Ukutwala thing? And most of all, what do you think about this whole time frame, saying that probably Umusam Seleko knows that his time is up? This lady stated that the reason why he's trying to get number 5, do this and that, get peace into the family, is because he knows that his time is up, and that when he's gone, everything is peaceful. Engage your thoughts with me in the comment section, and do not forget to share this video so that you do not have to miss out whenever I try to upload a new video. Thank you so much for actually clicking and deciding on watching this one. I'll see you in the next one, and may God just continue blessing you all. Bye.